airplane.
Oh, watch out. Hmm.
Mom, help me.
What?
Help me.
Oh, careful. Ah.
No, it's coming.
No, it's just there. Oh, in the sky. Oh, there.
It's so hungry.
Hmm.
That. What's this?
What's that? What do you see? What do you see? Hmm?
Bugs.
Bugs?
What's that? That there. What? Shoot. It's Friday.
Dapat naman alas 30, di ba?
Yata. 9 o'clock na, baby. Tara na lang dun. Ano tayo mag-abang?
Ang anong oras yan? 9:30.
Ay,
Alas 10.
alas 10. At
Alas
least,
10.
isang oras muna tayo mag-abang.
Tagal na nga. Tapos mag-aantay pa tayo ulit. Mag-aantay na naman kami doon na habang sinasabon-sabon ka.
Sana, wag masabon. Ay, nako.
Mahaba-haba ang sabunin ka nila. Yun lang naman. Bakit masama ba yung ano mo? Hindi nila maintindihan yun.
Hindi ko lang alam.